Have you been trying to create reels and shorts from your long time content, and this has been hectic for you? Believe me, today on this video I have a breathtaking tools that can help you create these stuffs in just 5 minutes. I have created 477 shots and reels for my Facebook page and my YouTube page just in 5 minutes.
Wow!
477 shots. I really mean what I'm saying. You're surprised. Don't screw up. This video is for you. Okay, what's up, family? I have a formula that can actually help us create YouTube shorts and Facebook reels, IG and TikTok in just 5 minutes. This will blow your mind. And trust me, what we'll bring here is what we have actually put into practice. If you're coming across the channel for the first time, my name is Revolutionize Master Mike. What we'll do here, we'll bring tips and tricks that increase the ability of learning and generate money for you. So if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Without wasting time, let me skyrocket your creative abilities on generating your short and your reels for your Instagram and TikTok, Facebook, all in one package on this video. I'm going to give you 8 platforms that will help you create 477 reels just in 5 minutes. As my family, I think I'll add a bonus to it. I'll make it 9. Don't skip this video. Make sure you follow it step to step and to the end of this video before you miss out important things I have to mention. Okay? I won't like to waste your time. Fire up your browsers.
Join me.
The platform we are now is called Collab.app. Take a look at the interface. Play around with the app. Play around with this website. It's an AI website that can actually help us generate shorts and reels very fast from our long-term content. And trust me, this AI will add caption to every short and reel generated for you. So you don't have to go adding caption on your short or generating caption for your short. Trust me, I don't bring anything I don't try out for you. This is actually crazy and it's amazing. I would like you to follow me to this step by step. Without wasting time, let's go over to my YouTube channel. Let's pick a video and paste the video link on this platform. Then we'll click on generate.
A few moments later.
What do you see? It has perfectly generated short and accurate reel from our long-term content just in 5 minutes. This is amazing. This is really crazy. I would like you to try out this platform. You can also edit the clip. You can decide to change some other things. You click on export. I post it at randomly in your channels. These are things that improve your channels and skyrocket your channels. You know the importance of reels and shorts on these channels. Let's review another platform that can actually help you do the same thing too. Let's open up quickvid.ai. This is another platform you can actually do all these things in very quick. You can see generate YouTube short instantly with AI. It's the same steps. Copy the link of your long-term content and paste here for you to generate a very short clip for you and with caption. Trust me. For sure, AI has come to stay. So all we have to do is to change our direction and actually adopt it and make good use of it in a way that it will benefit us. The next one I have for you is video.ai. Make short content from your long ones instantly. Check this platform, go around, explore it, see the benefits. A lot of creators have used this platform and I would like you to miss out on this opportunity. Go and exploit this platform and use it to create amazing content that will benefit your channels. The next one I have for you is capwing.com. This is a platform. Go ahead and check it. They say create more content in less time. So to actually tell you what exactly this AI is doing. AI world is crazy. I urge you to make use of it to actually benefit you in the right way. Go ahead and check this platform. This platform is amazing. it helps you create content in short time. Before you know it, you have a good number of AI generated shots that you use for your channel. The next one I have for you is called subscribe to this channel. Yes, hello family, I was just kidding. The next one I have for you on the line is viewedwizard.ai. viewedwizard.ai is another powerful tools to create shots. Viewedwizard is a crazy platform. You can do so many things. Just look at where I'm clicking. You see so many functions that you can use on this platform. So I will urge you to go out and check it out. Let me know what you feel and what you dislike among all these platforms I just mentioned on the comment box. Engage me on the comment box. Let's talk about it right now. That brings me over to the next platform. The next platform is getmuch.com. You're already making great videos. Let's put it to work. On this platform, you see so many channels and so many companies who are all making use of these channels to generate videos and shorts that will keep you captivating. So all you have to do is that I'm bringing it to you today. Maybe you must have not heard about it. So make sure you use this platform today and let me know what you feel at the comment box. And the next platform is called Opus Clips. One long video, 10 viral clips. Create 10 times faster. All you have to do is copy your link and paste in this place and just click on create clips. Before you know it, you have crazy clips, you have good amount of clips and shorts that you have to use for your YouTube channel. That brings me over to the next one. It's called keyloops.ai. This is another sweet platform. I like the interface. Interface is looking very clean and very neat. Create viral clips from your long videos in a flash. These guys are actually doing a good job. Okay family, that brings me to the last bonus for today's video. The last platform I want to bring to you, which is my favorite, is called twoshots.ai. It's a crazy platform too. Very beautiful and very smart. This is the interface. This is what it looks like. It's very simple. One thing about this AI is the interface always look alike, and it's very simple and it's user friendly. All you have to do, get that link you want to convert to your short-term content and paste it and allow them to do their crazy work. Allow the AI to do its amazing work and get you the clip you want. This is all for today's video family. I would like you to go out and check out this content, check out this website, check out the AIs, and let me know what you feel at the comment box. And you have to do me a favor today. Please and please save this video, share it with your friends, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Click on the like button so other people can get to benefit on this. It is free. Just click on the like button. My family, thank you for your support so far. I love you guys and I love you all. Thank you so much. See you out there. Keep getting rich and protect your finance. I love you all. Bye for now.